Hello world, I'm going to be showing you some of the stuff I plan to get done next week. This is a pet project that I've been working on, so let's see if I can give you an overview. I call it improving Plone on dotcloud, mostly because it's already working on dotcloud. I did some work on it previously. So I'm going to share the why, the who, the where and the how with relation to this. Well, firstly, dotcloud is a free platform and it's cloud-based, which means you can run it without installing anything on your computer. You just need to reach out to dotcloud and do all the installation, and you'll have a working content management system. So that to me is really useful at $0. I've chosen Plone because it's a platform I work with, and part of the goal is just to get people more familiar with Plone. And it is fast, it is secure. In fact, I took this screenshot recently of a Google search. Try changing the word Plone to some other content management system and you'll get a lot of results. Just try it. So that's the why. In terms of where, you can get a lot of information on my blog. You can just Google for Plone to the cloud in 3 easy steps. And this already works, so that's where we are now. We already have a working system, but there are some things I want to improve, and these are some of the ideas that I've been looking at. I've gotten some good feedback from Nate Arney, and these are inspired by discussions with him as well as some of other ideas. So it's going to be important to make sure that between deployments you don't lose your data. Even though this is mostly for testing, eventually some people may want to deploy Plone on dotcloud, and so it needs to be able to do that. I'm working on making the installer even faster, and I have some ideas about how to do that. Right now everybody gets the same password. That's a security flaw, because if someone neglects to change their password, someone can come in and just take over the site. And finally, some demo themes. I'm sure there are other ideas that will come up, but that's what I want to be able to do for next week. My target audience is people who want to try out Plone and developers who want to get started quickly with Plone. And if you want more information about this, the presentation is available at tinyurl.com, Cloud Plone, as well as other information. I have a GitHub URL with a repository with the latest code, and I also have a Trello board where I'm kind of tracking what I want to do. So that's my Trello board. This is my blog post about installing this in 3 steps. And thank you for paying attention. And I know some persons, I did this because they may actually be there while I'm working on this. So this is just to give you an idea of what I plan to do.